There, friend. You're looking for how to make a boomerang but you don't know how, right? And the video with the origami boomerang is too complicated for you. I've come up with a new idea for you. Something really easy. You can make a boomerang in just a few minutes and it will fly great and come back. No origami needed. You don't have to fold anything, just use cardboard. Making a boomerang is easy. It consists of 4 parts and flies something like this. Wow, that's cool. As you can see, it flies great and comes back. Both. The main thing is to give it a little spin. You throw it with a spin and the boomerang is just awesome. See, in my room it really flies just great. If you make a boomerang like this out of thick cardboard, you can throw it outside too. That's really cool. Look! I bet I've already intrigued you. Yes. Do you like it already? Well, let's get straight to the point and start making it. For this boomerang, we will need glue, scissors, a ruler, any ruler you have, and cardboard, or pieces of cardboard or cardboard. The thicker the cardboard, the better. If you don't have regular cardboard, you can use colored cardboard. The boomerang will be colorful, but it will fly just the same. Look, this boomerang is made from 4 equal parts. The length of the parts is 17 cm and the width is 3.5 cm. So I made myself a ready sheet of paper where the length is 17 cm. You can see that, and I'll make the width 3.5 cm. So 3.5 cm, 2, 3.5 cm, 3 and 4 parts. Now we have approximately 4 parts, each 17 cm long and 3.5 cm wide. We need to cut them out so that we get 4 strips. Well, that's it. We now have 4 identical pieces, literally 17 cm long and 3.5 cm wide. This is very important, so I repeat the sizes. If you do not have a piece of cardboard to get a length of 17, you can use the size of this rectangle 15. By 3 centimeters, the boomerang will also fly, but it will be a little smaller. Now you need to connect it correctly, just like this. Hit pause now, take a close look, and do it exactly the same way. Look, once again, here's how it's done. 1 sheet goes down, lies underneath the second sheet, under it, then on top we place the 3rd sheet like this, and then the 4th sheet goes underneath, and we end up with everything intertwined here. Do you see how it should turn out? Thanks to this intertwining, the boomerang will have a balanced center of gravity, and it will be able to spin evenly. Well, you've completed half of the task. Now we need this inner square to have an area of 1 square centimeter. So the size should be 1 centimeter inside, 1 centimeter. We measure 1 centimeter. And we move the second part down so that we get 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. We're doing all of this very precisely. You see, the parts are a bit apart. You need to adjust them with your hands and hold them tightly. Once you've measured everything, you can take a pen or a marker to make it easier for you to press down. Everything is perfect and straight, and now we need to draw the lines on our boomerang. So you know where to place it, which side to use when you apply the glue, and to make sure nothing shifts on you. When you're gluing the boomerang, don't forget to put down some paper so you don't mess up the table. Well, that's it. I glued the boomerang. I want to give you one more piece of advice. Don't be afraid to apply glue. Excess can always be removed with a napkin or piece. Paper. Everything here should be glued well, evenly, so there are no joints sticking out. Everything here should be tight. If it's not tight, then when you throw it, the air will swirl and the boomerang won't return either. Make sure to glue it well, and of course give the boomerang time to dry. at least half an hour. It took me about 20 minutes and the boomerang was already dry enough. And all that remains now is to take something round. In my case, it's a camera cover. Put it here and trace around it. This is done so that we have minimal air resistance. And we need to make it shorter, guys. Semicircular edges. We make the semicircles with something round like a compass, a coin, or anything else. Well guys, as you know, we first saw it on the world stage, and now let's see how it flies one more time. Vovka is awesome. Look, in the cup it flies right around me. When launching, you need to throw it forward and to the sides like this, hold it like this. That's how you throw it forward, if you twist it like this. Wow, that's really cool. As you can see, it really flies great and comes back.